Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can revert a commit on GitHub. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you're going to make sure that you already have your repository opened. And then from here, you're going to head over to the commits right here. So you can see these commits right here. You're just going to click on that commits label. Now, from the commits page, you're just going to make sure that you have already located the commit that you want to revert. So, for example, I want to revert this one. I'm just going to click on this copy button right here to copy this code. Now, we're going to head back to Visual Studio, and then from here, we're going to open the terminal. Now, from the terminal, we are going to use the command git revert, and then we're going to directly paste in the code that we have copied. So as you can see it right there. Now after that, you're just going to hit on enter. And then from here, you're just going to confirm what you want um, to revert. And then after that, you have now reverted your file or commit on GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.